Tonight's rain could make matters go from bad to even worse for families cleaning up in the Northland. Sky Tracker capturing the flooded streets earlier today, parts of homes underwater up there. 41 Action News reporter Dia Wall picks up our team coverage in Platte County with more. Dia, just what they don't need up there.
You know, Rhiannon, that's right. They were concerned. They only got between 3 and 4 inches, according to Gary earlier this afternoon. That caused Rush Creek to flood. Well, homeowners who live along that creek are terrified because they say if that creek floods again tonight, their homes will too. This is what 3 to 4 inches of rain can do.
It hurts every time. Every time it happens, it hurts.
Rush Creek in Parkville flooded, forcing water into several homes in the neighborhood.
Anything that was down there is probably gone now.
Hours after the rain and running 2 pumps to get the water out, it still sat 6 to 8 inches high in the basement.
We do this quite often. I raised my kids in this home, but it's going to come to a time where enough's enough.
In fact, 41 Action News talked to this same family back in 2008 after another heavy rain.
Within 35 minutes, my entire basement, my living room, my garage, my driveway, my neighbor's garage was just completely underwater.
Now, 9 years later, the situation hasn't changed. Thankfully, their neighbors still rush to their side.
I just hate to see their house flooded and for them to go through all that. It's one thing that pulls us all together.
It's not supposed to happen this way. If they had did what they were supposed to do, all my neighbors wouldn't be here helping me doing what we're doing now. And it just hurts.
But she's still thankful her family and her community are wrapping their arms around her again.
I'm blessed to have these people in my life. All of them that's been here, I'm blessed.
The rain has kind of let up since it started about an hour and a half ago here in Parkville. We've already gotten some alerts from the National Weather Service warning that this area could flood again tonight. So just a reminder, if you're out on these roads and you see high water, please turn around. Don't drown, because it doesn't take much water to carry your car away. Live in Parkville, Dia Wall, 41 Action News.